Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we will discuss how we can, because here we already discussed about the external packages and the libraries. So last time we have installed OpenCV, and now we will import, and we try to what we can do. So we can read one image and display on the screen. So first we need to import CV2. Import CV2. First we need to import this OpenCV package. Okay, import CV2. Then just we can see here we can print some message, mean this package has been imported or not. Package, just we can give any message. Package has been imported. PSEKA, the package has been imported. Okay, just we can run and you will see here. So you can see package has been imported. It means the package is successfully installed and we have successfully imported the package. Now here we can just read img. So we will read the image, and then what we can do, so we can read how cv2.imread. so this is the function it will use to read the image. So our image is here. If you will see here in this folder, when folder, inside VENVE. Okay, so here I will simply write my image name, picture. So picture.jpg. Okay, before that, so I'm going to read this image, and then it will save in the here. Okay, so here just you can give single colon, double colon, it's up to you, no problem it at all. Then after that, what we need to do, we need to show this image on the output. Okay, so then we can write cv2.imshow. so it will show the image on the screen. Here this is my, because here first two argument, the first argument it will display on the window. Okay, this is my picture. I will write my picture. Okay, so this is my picture, and then colon, so what I want to display, image. Okay, so at after that we need to give some little bit delay, otherwise we cannot see the image. Okay, so we need to add the delay here, cv2.wait key. So delay here, it can be so this delay we can add, and you will see here. First, if we will read, you can see we can read our image. Okay, and it will give a delay of wait key 0 sec here, and then we can also add one more function, cv2 dot destroy all the window. Once we need to close, so all the window should be closed automatically. Okay, so this is the one you can see. Now we can run the program and you can display your image on the screen. Okay, you can see my pic. So this is a title, it is showing the title. Okay, so you can see this is the title of the image. Okay, so now we can see how we can read the image in a so import the video. Let me check how we can import the video. Just let me take the video first. I will show you how we can import, how we can display the video by you in a Python. Okay, so first we need to import cv2, then we can add one variable here, capture is equal to cv2 dot video capture, video, sorry, so video capture, this is the function we are going to use. And here this is the path here, so where it is located. So my video is located inside the program, so I don't need to give a long path. So if you will see here, this is the test.mp4. so this is my video, so I will write test.mp4. okay, so this video, and then I need to add a while loop to true. So true, so while loop true, and then success, SUCC, VSS success, and then image, image is equal to cap.read. Okay, so it will read the video and it will save in this variable, and this is your boolean. If it is successful, it will read the image because it will be true or false. Okay, so after that we need to type here cv2 dot imshow, and here we can type our title of the video, so title my video, and here the name of this variable here where the video is stored. Okay, and then we can write a if condition. If if Q key is pressed, it should exit. Okay, so if CV2 dot wait key, wait for 1 second, delay we are going to add, and then we need to type 0x ff equal to order. So here we can press the Q. If the Q key is pressed, so it should quit the video, mean it should break out the loop. The loop should be break. Okay, so break the loop. Now let me run the program and see what should be the output. Now you can see here, so this is the video here, you can see. Now this is my video, it is going to be displayed here, and once I will press a Q button, it should come out of this loop. Did you observe? So this is the way you can display the video in a Python. Okay, yes, in this program here, last time we have used how we can capture the video, how we can display the video in the Python. We have seen in our previous video, in the previous example. Now we will capture the video by using a webcam. Okay, so how many different line we need to write, because the rest of the code will remain same, only the thing is change, where the things will change. This one, it will be a change. Okay, so the first you need to write here cap, and cap you are going to capture, this is a variable CV2. So here video capture, so we are going to capture the video from our webcam. Okay, so this is the default webcam, we will write a 0. If you have more than one webcam, you can write 1 or 2 or something like that. Okay, then you need to set the dimension. Okay, so cap dot set, so here you need to write a dimensions. Okay, suppose height and the width, so the first 640 should be the height of the video, and then the width should be 480 pixel. Okay, so you can, this is just estimated, height and the width. Now let me capture the video, and you will see the live webcam is going to capture the video. Here you can see it is working fine. If you will press a Q button, it will exit from the loop. Now you can see here. Yeah, so this is the way you can capture the video from the webcam. So here we need to add some brightness, because the brightness was not pleasant and it was not good enough. So how we can add the brightness? So you can see here cap dot set, so the ID is 10 and here 100. So brightness, we can increase the brightness. Let's see what should be the output here. No, brightness, it is not good enough, so we can change to 200. Let's see what should be the bright. Now it is good enough. Now you can see it is more bright now. Okay, so this is the way you can increase the brightness of your webcam. Okay, so if you need more, so you can try different number and you can test it. So I hope this is informative for you. Thanks for watching, and press Q to exit. Okay.